Have you ever felt like working from home is just not what it's cracked up to be? You picture this dream of rolling out of bed, grabbing coffee, and happily typing away in your pajamas. But the reality? Sometimes it's a one-way ticket to frustrationville. Why is that? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the blurred lines. Remember when your home was your sanctuary? Your escape from the office? Now, for many of us, the office has invaded our sanctuary. Your living room is now a conference room, your kitchen table is your desk, and your bedroom, well, that's where you take that early morning call you'd rather sleep through. This constant blending of work and life means your brain never truly switches off. You might find yourself checking emails late at night or feeling guilty for taking a break because your laptop is just ... right there. This lack of separation is a major source of stress and burnout. It's like living in a 24/7 open plan office, but you're the only employee and also the janitor. Then there's the silent killer of productivity and morale: isolation. Humans are social creatures. We thrive on connection. In an office, you have those little moments, the quick chat by the coffee machine, the shared laugh over a silly email, the team lunch. These small interactions build camaraderie and make you feel like part of something bigger. At home, you're on an island. Sure, there are video calls and instant messages, but it's not the same. You miss the nonverbal cues, the spontaneous brainstorming, and the simple feeling of shared experience. This loneliness can creep in and make you feel disconnected not just from your colleagues, but from your own sense of purpose at work. Next up, the always-on culture. Because your boss can't physically see you at your desk, there's often an unspoken pressure to be constantly available. You answer emails faster, you join meetings you might have skipped, you work longer hours just to prove you're being productive. This digital presenteeism is exhausting. You end up overcompensating, which leads to working more, not smarter. Your workday doesn't have a clear start or end, it just bleeds into your personal time, creating a cycle of fatigue and resentment. It feels like you have to constantly perform your productivity, and that is incredibly draining. And let's not forget the endless parade of distractions. If you thought coworkers were distracting, welcome to the major leagues of interruption. You've got the dog barking at the mailman, the kids needing help with homework, the laundry piling up, and that fascinating documentary you just remembered is on Netflix. Your focus is constantly being pulled in a dozen different directions. Trying to have a serious video call while your toddler is. Having a meltdown in the background is a special kind of professional nightmare. Maintaining deep focus, that state of flow where you do your best work, becomes almost impossible when your environment is designed for living, not for deep, concentrated work. Another huge frustration is the tech trap. Your home Wi-Fi suddenly decides to take a vacation during your most important presentation. Your laptop freezes. The company's VPN logs you out for the 10th time. At the office, you could just yell for the IT department. At home, you are the IT department. You spend precious time troubleshooting tech issues instead of actually working. This technical friction adds a layer of constant, low-grade annoyance to your day. Each little glitch is a paper cut to your productivity and your patience. Communication breakdown is another biggie. When you're not in the same room, misunderstandings multiply. Tone is lost in emails and chats. A simple question that would take 30 seconds to answer in person can turn into a long, confusing email chain. You feel out of the loop on important decisions because you missed a casual conversation that happened between two colleagues. This lack of clear, efficient communication can make you feel powerless and frustrated, as if you're trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces missing. It slows everything down and makes collaboration feel like a chore. And what about career development? It's easy to feel invisible when you're working from home. It's harder to get noticed by senior leaders, to volunteer for new projects, or to get the informal mentorship that happens naturally in an office. You worry that being out of sight, out of mind, will hurt your chances for a promotion or a raise. This feeling of career stagnation can be incredibly demotivating. You start to question if your hard work is even being seen, let alone valued. Finally, there's the physical toll. Your ergonomic office chair has been replaced by a dining chair, or, let's be honest, your couch. You're not walking to meetings or going out for lunch. You're more sedentary than ever. This can lead to back pain, eye strain from staring at a screen all day, and a general decline in physical well-being. Your body isn't designed to be hunched over a laptop in a poorly lit room for 8 hours a day. The physical discomfort adds to your mental frustration, creating a vicious cycle. So what can we do? It starts with setting boundaries. Create a dedicated workspace if you can. Set clear start and end times for your workday and stick to them. Communicate these boundaries to your colleagues and your family. Schedule regular breaks and get outside for a walk. Over-communicate with your team. Don't be afraid to hop on a quick video call to clarify something. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Working from home is a skill, and it takes time to get it right. It's not always the dream we were sold, but by acknowledging the frustrations and actively managing them, we can make it a more sustainable and even enjoyable reality. Thank you so much for watching. If any of this resonated with you, hit that like button and subscribe for more content on navigating the modern workplace. Let me know your biggest work from home frustration in the comments below. See you in the next one.